If the sum of first four terms of an EP is 40, sum of first four terms. So we should know the equation to find the sum of first n terms. It is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or in other words, we can write it as n by 2 into a plus an. Okay. Anyways, it is given that the sum of the first four terms of an EP. So n is equal to 4. Means S4 is given as 40. So S4 is 4 by 2. See, we are applying this equation. N by 2 became 4 by 2 into 2a plus. In place of n, I have to give 4, n minus 1 into d. We know nothing about the values of a and d, so we put it like that. 4 by 2, n is 4, so 4 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now it is given as 40. So let us make an equation out of this. We can cut this, right? 4 and 2 over here, so it will become 2. 2 times 2a plus and 4 minus 1 is 3. 3d is equal to 40. And in the next step, shall we move this 2 to the next side? See, then it will become more easy. See, 2a plus 3d. When this 2 is taken from this side, it is multiplied by over here. When it is taken to the other side, it becomes division. Okay, so 2a plus 3d is equal to 20. This is the first equation we got from the statement given in the question. So let us read the next part of the question, and that of first 40 terms is 280. So the sum of the first four terms is 40 and the sum of first 40 terms is 280. So n is equal to 14. That is the next situation. So S14 is given as 280. Then what is asked? Find the sum of its first n terms. Okay, anyways, for that we need a value of a and d. Nothing is given directly here. So let us continue with this S14. Let us apply the equation to find the sum of n terms. N in place of n, we have to write 14 in this case. 14 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is given as 280. Okay, let us rearrange and rewrite. You see, 14 and 2 we can cut it. So we'll get 7 times 2a plus 13d is equal to 280. And in the next step, we can take this 7 to the next side, right? So we'll get it as 2a plus 13d is equal to, here 7 is multiplied by, and when it is taken to the other side, it becomes division. So 280 by 7. So 2a plus 13d is equal to 40. So this is the second equation we got. Now we have two equations and two variables. We can solve them, right? By solving them, we will get the values of a and d. Let us take those equations to this side. We got it as 2a plus 13d is equal to 2a plus 13d is equal to 40. That is our second equation. And our first equation was 2a plus 3d is equal to 20. 2a plus 3d is equal to 20. See, if we subtract these two, that is first equation is subtracted from the second, what will happen? See, 2a is common here. We are doing actually subtraction. So 2a will get cancelled. 13d minus 3d, that is 10d, is equal to 20. Okay, now we will get d as 20 by 10. Actually, we are taking this 10 to the next side. 20 by 10, that is 2. So we got d, common difference, as 2. And now we have to find the value of A also. To get, actually what is asked in the question, we have to find the sum of its first n terms. To get that, we need the value of A also. We can use any of these equations. Let us apply the first one here. First equation is 2a plus 3d is equal to 20. And just now we have found d as 2, right? So in place of d, I can give the value 2. So 2a plus 3 into 2 is equal to 20, or 2a plus 6 equals 20. 2a is equal to this plus 6 when taken to the next side, it will become negative. So 20 minus 6, that is 40. Now 2a is what we have now. 2a is equal to 14. So a is, this 2 have to be taken to the next side. So 14 by 2, that is 7. So we got the first term as 7 and common difference as 2. Now we have to write the nth term. Nth term is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And where d and a values are already here. D is 2 and A is 7. A is 7 and D is 2. Let us give these values over here. So n by 2 into A is 7 plus n minus 1, and in place of D we have to give 2. So we'll get it as n by 2 into 14 plus n minus 1 into 2. See, here we have a 2 in the denominator, right? And inside the bracket, we have a 2 here. This is a multiple of 2. And here also we have a 2. So we can take 2 outside from the bracket, or inside the bracket. From inside the bracket, we are taking a 2 outside. So it will become, see, I have taken a 2 outside. So it will become, here it is 7 plus n minus 1. Okay, so we can cut this 2. In the next step, it will become n into 7 plus n minus 1. And here we can do 7 minus 1, that is 6. So n into 6 plus n. So it is n square plus 6n. This is the answer. Hope all of you got it. Thank you.